Hey guys, what's up? This is Ankit Sagar and you are watching the channel Beximo. And today we're gonna unbox the camera EOS 200D. Yes, we're gonna unbox the camera EOS 200D. Let's open this camera and have a look over it. Here we find some user manuals जो कि बिल्कुल फालतू काम के होते हैं, ऐसे ही फेंक देते हैं उन्हें. और एक और user manual just like a warranty card. This is a warranty card, as you can see it here, and this is the main setup. Here we find 18 to 55 mm lens. As you can see it here, this is 18 to 55, that is 18-55 mm का एक लेंस है. फिर हमारे पास एक चार्जिंग केबल मिल जाती है बैटरी के लिए, और एक नेक अपने कैमरे को आप नेक से लाइक जो भी जोड़ जाड़ के. ये हमारे पास एक बैटरी है, फिर चार्जर है, और इस सेक्शन में सिर्फ एक ही चीज़ रह जाती है जो कि हमारे पास है SD कार्ड. SD कार्ड अबाउट 16 GB का इन्होंने दिया है. फिर हमारे पास यहाँ पर है एक लेंस. लेट्स हैव अ लुक ओवर इट. काफ़ी हैवीली पैक्ड है, सेंसिटिव चीज़ है इसलिए इतना करना पड़ता है इसको पैक. एंड यहाँ पर हमारे पास एक नया लेंस है, दैट इज़ 55 to 250 mm. Keep it aside and have a look over the main item, that is EOS 200D. This is the camera that we are talking about. आप इसको चारों तरफ से देख सकते हैं, इसकी भद्दी सी शक्ल. Let's keep this box aside and mount the lens and the batteries. First we're gonna insert our SD card to it. Here you have to insert your SD card, and now battery. Oh yeah, this way. And here we go. And here you got additional feature, that is flipping screen. You can even now take your selfies too. And let's mount the camera over the camera lens over the camera. The method for mounting this is to match your white and this white dots together and just rotate the lens and your camera is ready. For opening this, you just have to turn this scroll to the on, and then you will have your screen on. And here you can adjust your settings. I have already adjusted it, otherwise you will not see the way it is showing this. And the pics of this and the pics taken by this camera I'll be showing you at the last of the video. And for price, let's talk about price right now. I bought this camera for about 47,500 and total about 500 because I took some 2 bags too. This one is about 300 rupees bag. For this is bag, here you got a compartment. One compartment only you're getting here for your camera and your one lens, and here you got another compartment for your charger and whatever. Here you got a user manual, user manual to smoothie, whatever. And another bag that I bought is this one. It's really an awesome bag. It will keep your camera secured, as this is too thick, a foamy inside, and you got about 6 compartments. This is for your camera, lens, and other for your battery, charger, or whatever you want to keep it. You can. So this is our main camera. You can view it here. Hey, what's up? What's going on? I'm really feeling good because I've already bought a camera, that is EOS 200D with 2 lenses, that is this one and this one. This one is of about 1855 and this one about 55 to 200. Let's have a look over the video quality of this camera. Let's switch it over this camera now. And this is the quality by the EOS 200D. As you can see, the quality difference between that Oppo F9 Pro and the EOS 200D DSLR camera, and also the sound quality might differ, and all the pics by the camera which I have captured by this camera I'll be showing at the end of the video. Please watch them and have a like over my video, subscribe it, share it. Thanks a lot. Bye.